We've got some pulling to do today. Today's agenda, we got a lot of things to accomplish. Number one, we have to go get a Don's GMC 2020, the short bed build that you guys have seen on this channel. It's finished being painted. We need to go grab it from our other shop and bring it over to where we are so we can start putting that thing back together. Then I need to go grab my car. The Bullet is ready. Zach has done a great job on the downpipes. Does look like we're gonna meet up with my buddy Harry. You guys are familiar with Harry and his channel. But yeah, we're gonna go get with those guys. Harry and the guys are gonna help us move everything because on top of that, you guys decided, you made a decision on the top 10 Trans Am list. Does look like the real freight train is gonna be number one. I will do a video kind of putting everything together, the whole top 10, because everything's kind of messed up right now. There's a couple guys that don't have the cars anymore. There's a couple guys that didn't move around, so that video is coming up shortly. So yeah, let's get the party started. She's excited to get the truck back. Don's excited to get the truck back. Look at that freaking ghost over there. Anybody recognize that guy? Oh yeah. You guys didn't think I was gonna not do a cinematic reveal of the truck, did ya? I'll tell you right now, it looks sick. I can't wait to show you guys, but you're gonna have to wait, because yeah, you're gonna have to wait for the reveal. I teased them with the reveal. I teased them with the reveal.
It's so sick. ¿Te gusta la camioneta?
Oh man, I can't wait for you guys to see it. Stay tuned. It's coming, I promise. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. Back with the Bullet. What's up, bro? You're working on a boat? A turbo boat? Ooh. 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 Oh, you guys didn't think I was gonna reveal the car yet, did ya? Without doing some sort of cinematic entrance, did ya? No, that's not happening today. So, just gonna have to tease them with it. But stay tuned, I promise you will see the car. Hang tight. Zach just doesn't stop. Always on some sort of project. Yeah. I
got my own crap to finish.
Yeah, it's true. But yeah, oh, nice little turbo boat setup going on here. I really can't wait to show you guys the car, but I'm gonna hide it with this boxing boat, but you're gonna have to wait for the reveal on that. But what do y'all think so far? You saw the car, what do you think? Gonna turn some heads or not? I'm curious to see what it sounds like, not only just running, but like on the two-step and down the track. Like it's gonna be different. I could tell just from looking at it now. It's gonna be rowdy. It's gonna shoot some plays. Did you notice any difference? You drove it, right? You said you drove it?
Yeah, I've only driven it one other time. So
yeah. Nothing? Sounds the same? Yeah.
Straight up the
Yeah, much different.
It's gotta be a little different.
Yeah. Well,
You're the expert on that one.
Yeah. I'll definitely know for sure. Quickly.
It's only alcohol. No big deal.
Another match. That's the 85, man. It smells good.
I don't think Walmart's ever tested bad. Even in the winter.
Battery dead. I'll tell you what, this trailer got a workout today. So I'm gonna get the car out so I can get it washed up real quick and kind of come up with a game plan. Looking at the way the downpipes are right now, we are gonna have to make some changes in the hood design. Nothing major, but it is gonna have to be changed just a little bit. But other than that, man, I'm really impressed with the work. Huge shout out to my buddy Zach, who did all the work on the Bullet. That dude deserves a bunch of props. He really outdid himself again with the setup. And you're just gonna have to hang tight on the reveal. I promise it's coming, so just hang tight. Now that we've got the car back, it's time to get moving on some things. The first thing I'm gonna do, well, in the meantime, I'm gonna be buttoning up a couple loose ends that I need to take care of, that I needed to take care of even before I brought it to Zach. But this Friday, this weekend, this Friday, I'm going to take the car to the track and make a pass or two. And really focus on the air shifter, you know, put a camera down there, kind of really focus on what is going on with that thing. The changes that we made, the new solenoid, everything else, I'm hoping that took care of the problem and that it's going to shift right. I'm not going to be getting on the car too much, but just enough to make a decent pass and find out if that air shifter is going to work. And then we can continue on with everything else that we want to do. If it doesn't work, well, I'm going to have to take that air shifter off. And we are going to have to send it out back to M&M Transmission and see if they can bench test it, or, you know, if they can figure out what's going on with it that's not allowing the car to shift right. It shifts fine manually. The linkage is good. Everything's been double checked, but for some reason, under load, under air, it doesn't want to shift right, and that's bothersome. We'll do the reveal of that, and then everything has to come back off again so we can make some more modifications. We got to do the EGT sensors. We've got that modification, a hood modification, a wing modification. Things are coming up quickly, so we got to get to work. There's not a whole lot of events planned out right now, so the plan is to just make some changes, test the car, make some changes, test the car, and just kind of have fun with it at the moment, because that's all we can really do. So yeah, that's the plan. Right now I'm just gonna unload this trailer and go take a long look at the car, because I missed her. I truly missed her. Leave a comment down below if you missed it too. Don't worry guys, soon enough.